Kyle, it's 10K in 12 months. Yes. So if we can do it faster than that, so be it. That'll be great. But yeah, we're just going to try and take a product and get it, any product that you're trying to do to, and get it to 10K profit. That's the trick. So we're going to be talking about cash flow, profit first, paying yourself first so that we're never going into the hole. This costs $3 to make. It costs $1 to box it. So it all adds up, but we'll be talking more about that. Let's see. Power Sprouter. Does it make sense to get a bunch of prototypes before picking which one to sell? Yeah, I mean, that's totally up to you if you want to try different prototypes. But really, I think just try and think of starting with the problem first too. Something that that type of people deal with all the time, or something that you deal with all the time. We're going to try and get to 10K by the end of the year. And it could take all year. It could take longer. I don't know. I've never done this print on demand type thing before. So it's going to be an adventure. It's going to be fun. So that's 25 units. I'm testing different colors. So we got black, red, I don't know if you can see, green, blue, and gold. Everybody's been liking the gold. So these are ones that we're going to test on Etsy just to see if, people are liking different colors. The one we have on Amazon is just the black one, and that one seems to do doing pretty well. All right, we got one. Mike, how much of a challenge was it to get your product selling on Amazon? So it was a challenge. It is kind of tricky to get onto Amazon. It took like 2 or 3 weeks to get approved. I had to do like a video chat. I have an LLC, so that I think helped a little bit. And then you have to pay $39 a month. They're going to take $39 regardless from your account, whether they charge you or, say if you made $100, they're going to take 40 out of that before they send you it. So it is a process getting on Amazon. It's a little bit more involved, but during this challenge, we're going to be testing all different things. We're going to be testing selling on our own websites, which I think is going to be the most profitable, but just figuring out how to get people to your website. That's the tricky part. We'll try any channel. If y'all think there's another cool e-commerce channel of something to try, we can do that too. Once you get set up with Amazon, it's really easy just to make a new listing. It's just like doing it on Etsy or Cults or anything, just put your photos, put your details, and bada bing, bada boom. I'm doing FBA, so I just send batches of 30 units to Amazon every few weeks and just make sure that I always have more coming in. And hey, Tiffany, what's up? So recently a bunch of people have mentioned that when you put a cool selling product on Amazon, they'll rip it off and sell their own version. Yes, I heard that. Yeah, Amazon can, if your sales get too high, there's little algorithm bots that will, say, hey, this is a hot product. We should make our own Amazon Basic or whatever. Amazon has hundreds of different brands that they own. But yeah, they definitely will do that. But that's my hope, is that we're going to be building brands and not just commodities or products. Even if someone does do it, hopefully the following would just say, hell no, I'm going to go to the original. I'm going to go to the source and get it from vibes.love, or, help it out that way. So Amazon is a weird place. Having an audience is key. Yes. And that's why I want to build, or help us all figure out, how do you build a brand? How do we do this? And that's what this is going to be all about. When you are thinking of products, try not to fall into the custom trap, trying to make custom design, custom dog tags or custom everything, because it's already hard enough to do just one product. And if you had to go in and make a change for every single product, I'm not saying it's impossible, but I'm saying it's going to be very, very much harder to do. Also, to get to a place where we can sell 35, a day, or, 1,000 units a month, it's going to be a lot more time if you're trying to do it all custom. So I would say try and shy away from the custom until one day when we can do it automated with software on websites and stuff. And the software just spits out the custom thing for you or sends it to a printer. That would be my advice, but, do what you want. There are no rules. A good part of brand is just being kind to your customers. So few that do that, so it's nice when they do. Yes, I do. I believe that too. I think building a brand will just be, being real, being true, and building trust. I think brands equal trust. Brands are also just a belief system, and we'll talk more about that over the next few months. May is going to be, let me see my roadmap here. May is going to be all about brand consciousness, the who, the why, the what. So a little bit of what we talked about, but really it's finding who do you serve. So for vibes.love, Amber and I still haven't really figured it out, but we're thinking vibes.love will be kind of like the yogi crowd, or people like us millennials who don't want to have kids, people who are trying to elevate their consciousness. We're trying to figure out who is that, and that's what we're going to be talking about a lot next week. Thanks everybody for coming, doing this every Friday, like I said. So if you are going to join into this challenge, good luck. I'm not saying that you're going to make $10,000 because you go on this challenge with us. That is not what I'm saying at all. I could totally fail. We could all fail, but I think as long as we're being proactive and trying, luck favors those who take action. That's what I read this morning. 10K challenge. What's up, Ben? For contemporary art? Yeah, let's do it, bro. Fortune favors the bold. Power Sprouter. Mike. All right. Thanks, everybody, for coming. I'll see y'all next week. Same time, same place. We're going to be talking about the who. So go ahead and start thinking about who do you serve? Who do you want to help? That's your homework if you want to go with us over the next 7 days. Luck is just setting up to be likely in a good spot. Yeah, it's just ratios. You know, try and you might, don't and you won't. That's a quote from me. Later, y'all. Peace.